Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your subscription-based business by mastering Stripe billing? First, we'll navigate to the Products tab on your Stripe dashboard, which is the bedrock for crafting your subscription plans. Click Add Product to set up your product. Fill out the product name and details. Now, it's time to design your subscription plans. Choose between recurring or one-time billing, and meticulously define pricing, billing intervals, like monthly or yearly, and any trial periods you want to offer. Managing customer accounts is crucial. Head over to the Customers tab to view customer details, update payment methods, or manually adjust subscriptions. Stripe provides robust tools to handle recurring payments. See payment statuses, automatically retry failed payments using smart retries, and send automated email reminders for upcoming payments. Encountering billing hiccups, Stripe offers detailed logs and reports to troubleshoot common issues, such as declined payments or incorrect invoices. Be sure to enable webhooks for real-time notifications on billing events. And that's how you can take charge and manage your billing like a pro. For more information, check out the Stripe documentation linked in the description below.